Welcome back to Cruising with Carla.
In today's episode, we finally get to cutting up those rusty old rockers, the floors, and start welding in. Okay, so we're just gonna start cutting here. We'll get cutting on the floor, and then I'm gonna just cut this little trim piece along here. Not very much. Then I'll drill the spot welds, and then I'm gonna go underneath and start cutting that inner rocker out. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so here we are underneath, and you can see that inner rocker panel, the holes on the floor, and the outer rocker panel as well, all through here. There's that inner. The bracing that's supposed to be in place here, number 2 bracing, and number 3 brace actually looks quite good. And then that entire inner rocker panel, it's just in shambles. So we're gonna try and cut out that inner rocker panel.
Alright guys, looks like Carla has her outer rocker panel in place, and I think she might be ready to start welding with a few more tweaks here. Let's see what she's up to today!
Hey guys, as you can see, I've been a little incapacitated right now. It's actually been about a month, so the convertible work is on hold at the moment. However, that has given me a great amount of time to come up with some fantastic ideas for future videos. I just want to thank each and every one of you for all the support. I really appreciate it. So stay tuned for more episodes to come. Come on, let's go!
Stay tuned for more of Cruising with Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.